It's a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. While the demands of family life may leave you exhausted, thankfully you have a partner that never tires in this Grand Caravan. It is always there with unexpected power, safety, versatility, and comfort. Thanks to the 3.6-liter V6 under the hood with a 6-speed automatic transmission, you and your crew will enjoy a quiet, powerful, and smooth ride. Count on a safe journey with Grand Caravan's road-gripping stability and traction control. With all the carpool, sporting events, and weekend camping trips, the interior quickly responds to the job at hand. A third row makes more room for friends and family, and Stow & Go opens up a world of cargo space. Plus, the observation mirror lets you keep an eye on what the little ones are doing in the back. Take a look at the vehicle that anticipates your daily demands. Bring the family over for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.